Hello and welcome to the Applied AI News. In this episode, we'll discuss the productivity gains businesses are experiencing thanks to AI adoption, including Microsoft's move to make advanced language model with reasoning accessible to all its Copilot users. We'll then dive into the academic side, exploring methods to mitigate hallucinations in large language models, LLMs, understand LLMs' inherent biases, and the impact of using AI on our cognitive ability. Further, AI is helping us unlock knowledge from ancient texts and if language models can play chess. Finally, we'll cover tools and techniques that empower developers to build more efficient and effective AI solutions. Let's start with how AI is impacting businesses and the future of work. According to the official Microsoft blog, companies investing in generative AI are seeing an average return of $3.70 for every $1 invested. That's a compelling figure. It shows that AI is driving tangible business value right now. Microsoft showcases over 300 real-world examples of AI implementation across various industries. These AI solutions enrich employee experiences by automating tasks, personalize customer engagement, reshape business processes by optimizing operations, and accelerate product development. This shows what is possible, which is a significant increase in the productivity and thus user and employee satisfaction. Microsoft is making OpenAI's O1 reasoning model free for all Copilot users, available today. This feature, called Think Deeper, empowers Copilot to handle more complex questions by considering them from multiple angles. Users can activate it with a Think Deeper button, initiating a deeper analysis to generate more comprehensive and step-by-step answers. This enhancement is useful for tasks like comparing options, creating code, or planning complex itineraries. This move democratizes access to advanced reasoning capabilities, making them available to a wider audience and potentially boosting productivity across the board. GitHub Copilot is being upgraded with more advanced AI capabilities, introducing agent mode and general availability of Copilot edits in VS Code. Agent mode allows Copilot to independently iterate on code, fix errors, and suggest terminal commands. Copilot edits, now generally available, enables developers to use natural language to make inline changes across multiple files with a conversational flow. This is not only about code, but a significant change to the way the developers work. By automating routine tasks and allowing them to focus on more complex and creative work, these tools reshape the software development landscape. Finally, TechRadar reports that OpenAI's Deep Research AI achieved record accuracy on the humanities last exam benchmark by leveraging web search. While still far from a passing grade, the progress highlights both the advancements and limitations of current AI reasoning capabilities. This article puts things into perspective, showcasing the rapid progress made with LLMs and the limitations as well. Now, let's switch gears and look at some recent academic advancements. Hallucinations remain a significant challenge in generative AI. In a new article with the title Hallucination Mitigation Using Agentic AI Natural Language-Based Frameworks, researchers investigate how orchestrating multiple specialized LLM-based agents can help mitigate such hallucinations, with a focus on systems leveraging natural language processing to facilitate seamless agent interactions. Through structured JSON messages, each agent communicates its assessment of the hallucination likelihood and the reasons underlying questionable content, thereby enabling the subsequent stage to refine the text without losing context. The results are promising in the world of hallucinations, which ultimately leads to trust within the AI community. A new study published on SciPost reveals that large language models, LLMs, exhibit a social desirability bias when taking personality tests, skewing their responses to present themselves in a more favorable light when they are being tested. It seems like they somehow know they're being tested. This bias leads to inflated scores on positive traits and deflated scores on negative ones. This phenomenon was consistent across various models, including GPT-4, Claude 3, and Llama 3, with newer, larger models showing a stronger bias. The study highlights the need to understand and mitigate these biases to ensure the responsible use of LLMs in various applications. So, even though they are very effective, the models are not perfect and needs to be handled with caution. AI isn't just useful for modern problems. It's also helping us unlock knowledge from the past. According to The Guardian, researchers have digitally unrolled and begun reading a charred scroll from Herculaneum, a town destroyed by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in AD 79. The scroll was too fragile to physically unwrap, necessitating the use of 3D X-rays and computer software. AI is being used to detect ink and reveal passages, building on previous success in reading another scroll thought to be by the philosopher Philodemus. This collaborative effort between librarians, computer scientists, and scholars is unlocking knowledge hidden for nearly 2 millennia. This shows a new way, a significant way, on how old knowledge can be retrieved and how AI is able to help people learn about the past. Another study, S1, Simple Test Time Scaling, challenges the notion that massive investments are always necessary. Researchers have developed a low-cost LLM reasoning model, S1, that rivals OpenAI's O1 performance. Trained in just 26 minutes for under $50 using distillation, S1 demonstrates that significant progress can be achieved with limited resources. The paper digs deeper into the budget-forcing technique they have implemented to exceed previous benchmarks on complex math questions. Another impressive application is simultaneous translation with Hibiki. Hibiki is a streaming speech-to-speech translation model that generates natural-sounding translated speech in real time. It offers a way to overcome language barriers and enabling seamless communication across cultures. Let's listen to an example of real-time translation from Hibiki.
Laissez l'ordinateur apprendre par lui-même comment
Let the computer learn
En effet,
by itself
comme le
how
dit
to
Vassilina,
translate.
on commence à avoir plein
Indeed,
de données
as
disponibles grâce au
Vassilina
web.
says,
Par exemple, le
we are
Canada met en
beginning to
ligne
have a
tous
lot
ses
of data
textes de loi
available
en
thanks
anglais
to
et en
the web.
français. Ça
For
fournit aux
example,
machines
Canada
énormément
publishes
de
all
textes
these laws in
parfaitement
English
traduits.
and French,
Ensuite, il y a
and that
une
provide the
révolution
machines with a lot of
technologique.
perfectly translated
L'intelligence
texts.
artificielle.
Impressive. Bear in mind, this was real-time. A smaller model is available for on-device use. Okay, what about our own cognitive abilities? An article explores the debate around whether the internet and AI technologies are negatively impacting our memory. While some research suggests that technology hinders recall and creates an inflated sense of knowledge, others argue that it frees up mental bandwidth for other tasks. The article highlights the complex relationship between technology and memory, urging caution against drawing simplistic conclusions. Let's shift from past to the future and how AI is helping robots learn. The paper Preserving and Combining Knowledge in Robotic Lifelong Reinforcement Learning, which was published in Nature. One of the challenges in machine learning has been continual learning, where learning a new skill by most current algorithms leads to forgetting older skills. The paper addresses this challenge by introducing a framework that combines knowledge preservation and adaptation to enable robots to continuously learn new manipulation tasks. The Legion framework enables a robot agent to continuously learn manipulation tasks, mimicking human learning by tackling tasks one after another. Finally, let's talk about a few tools and resources that can help you stay hands-on in the field. The article No Hype DeepSeek Reading List provides a reading list of foundational AI research, promoting a deeper understanding of the underlying principles used in DeepSeek R1 model. We had a special issue on this topic 2 weeks ago. Watch that to get more in-depth discussion on the R1-0 and learning to think topic. Finally, an article explores learning to think in language models in chess, using reinforcement learning to guide them to reason step-by-step about chess tactics. By incentivizing the model to generate text including reasoning and the final answer, the model develops internal states, or thoughts, refining its path toward better responses. The reasoning paths are invaluable for training purposes. In summary, we've covered a lot of ground today, from the impressive ROI businesses are seeing with AI implementation to the cutting-edge research pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We've seen how AI is transforming industries, empowering developers, and even helping us understand the past. The common thread throughout is the potential of AI to boost productivity, improve user satisfaction, and ultimately reshape the future of work. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve with AI.